Hi guys, let's begin with your daily dose of sports updates. Here it is. India loses its chances of hosting men's boxing championship which was to be held in the year 2021. New Delhi was supposed to host this event on behalf of India and it failed to submit the host fee, which is why it was decided that India won't be hosting the men's world championship anymore. Because New Delhi did not fulfill the obligations as given in the host city agreement, AIBA decided to terminate the contract and in return New Delhi will have to pay a fine of $500 as a penalty for not abiding by the rules. Now that event has been cancelled in India, it will happen in a Serbian country called Belgrade. If it would have happened in India, it would have been the first time that this prestigious event would have been conducted in India. India's foreign wrestling coaches have left the country with only half of their monthly payment as their salary. Andrew Cook and Timo Kazashvili are now wondering whether they will be remunerated for the current month or will they be getting the remaining half of their salaries in the months to come. Women's team coach Andrew Cook left the country on March 19th when Wrestling Federation called off the national camp which was being conducted in Lucknow. So now he's in Seattle in the US and he is only surviving on half of the monthly pay. Even Kazashvili, who is a Greco-Roman wrestler himself and is the coach for the Greco-Roman Indian team, he left for Georgia when the men's camp was halted in Sonpat. National Rifles Association of India (NRAI) plans to conduct camps for national shooters in July. NRAI is of the view that the July situation will be a little at ease, so they will be able to conduct camp in Delhi's Dr. Kani Singh shooting range, which will be a development for national shooters to practice ahead of future tournaments. NRAI Secretary Rajiv Bhatia says that we've given shooters time as there are no competitions right now, but all comes down to how the situation is then, meaning in the July, to continue and go ahead with the national camp. World champion and Olympic medalist Mary Kom has joined an interactive session conducted by Boxing Federation of India where she's busting the myths related to injuries. She was a part of this interactive session where she shared that exercise in fact can prevent a lot of serious injuries. In this full of knowledge session, she shared that when she started with team physios, doctors, she went on to become more aware of her body and she realized that surgery is not the only thing that can prevent an injury or that can solve a problem, but your exercise can help solve a lot of injuries, a lot of problems in future. In a Bridge exclusive, we talked to Antonio Habas, who is the most successful coach of Indian Super League, and he's the person responsible for taking ATK to its third title. Talking about India's future in football, the 62-year-old Spaniard said that there's very good chances that India will do really good in the upcoming days, but it is more about the grassroots development. The base should be strong. We should work on the pyramid structure and make the base stronger, not start from the cusp itself. World Wrestling Federation announces new guidelines for qualification for the Tokyo 2020 Olympics, which are to be held next year. The United World Wrestling is one of the first federations in the world to update its qualification system for the next year's Tokyo Olympics. The principal rules and regulations will remain unchanged, but as informed to the national federations earlier, Morocco, Hungary, China will continue to host Continental Championship, while Bulgaria will host World Qualifiers. The man who reminded us of the glory of Pansan Tomar is no more. I'm sure all of you must be aware of the situation, this news that Irfan Khan, one of the finest actors that the generation had produced, died at the age of 54. And that's it for the bulletin today, and as I always say, do like and share this video.